And so on Bible study, I am going to develop this further. But he said something when I heard the seer was reading 2 Thessalonians chapter number 3 and verse number 2, talking about unreasonable and wicked men. But in verse 6, the Bible said very clear, he said, now I command you, brothers, in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ, withdraw yourself from every brother that walketh disorderly, and not after the tradition which you have received from us. He said, withdraw yourself. Bring it into my language. The Bible, it makes it, he said, Enyanoma, Yeshamo, Ebradi Yesu Christo Dimo said, Munchimo, Emfri Wonia Biara Onam Basa Basa. Now one near to somewhere. Disorderly. When I look at Ghana, I see the nation is split into two: orderly and disorderly. Split into two. Nam basa basa. You only probably on my woman the basa basa. No intelligent, no wisdom of God, no discretion, no discipline in a soul. Nidiano basa basa. We are go cause for here Jimmy. I go cause us it was a spirit that, even though apartheid is over now, we still have people in parts of Africa who all they know to resolve any conflict is to draw the machete. Disorderly. Ubiji obi kuno oye basa basa. Ubi punyin sangu basa basa. I don't understand. Disorderliness, and they come praying in tongues, expecting God to also work a miracle in their disorderliness. And so, Ghana, look at the madness that happened at Kaswa. We are decongesting. People have collected their tables and come into the middle of the road. There is no unkempt and unclean city or township in the whole of Africa like Kaswa. Criminals have made it a safe haven. Criminals in the whole of this country, go to Kaswa, you will find them. The police and the army watch on whilst their own have been killed. How many police officers have died in there?